During the practice, I could feel and appreciate the years of enduring painful sex and how those nerve endings are still more wired for pain than pleasure. So, more still to release and transform there. But at the end, when we just held it with two hands, I felt like it gave me whole body ultimate permission to fully relax. Like I found the off switch. Oh, I love that. That actually is I personally resonate with that one as well. Yeah, my pelvic floor has been through the gamut in a lot of ways, painful sex being one of them, um, emotional ruptures being another one, and trying to get back or return back to this feeling of safety where there wasn't pain, whether that was physical and or emotional pain. And um, the off switch for me was also two hands cupped over between my legs, and I fell asleep like that every night for a week. That did wonders for me and made my body feel so safe for then me to connect back to her before anyone else did. We don't give our power away, right? We have that power and responsibility. Yeah, there's a way to heal and move through a lot of these things that y'all are feeling.